How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we got the most exciting best stock in the world. Literally, if you don't have any of this, you're missing out so much today. Just on Robinhood, there's 600,000 people owning this one stock. And what is it? Of course, it's Apple. Apple, the golden apple, today making record highs, breaking records, being one of the most valuable company in the world, and it continues to dominate. I am just flabbergasted with this. Look at that. First of all, look at that pop. You know, after its earnings beating all the expectations, its pop was impressive. But then how does it open and still go up an additional $15, especially right now, right before the close? So we're looking at the 1 day interval here on Webull. But if we take a look at the 15 minutes, just look at this nice gradual incline the last 2 hours of the stock market being open. Today being Friday, the last day of the week, Apple is it's on a roll. Damn, if you would have even gotten a call right here, oh my gosh, or even the day before, calls, option contracts on this are going bananas. They're out of this world. They're so expensive. Wow. So much money being made. Hopefully no one shorted this. Like, do not short this anytime soon. Do not short it. Do not play against the bulls. Do not play against the tide. They're stumbling you over. Look at that heavy buying volume at the end of the day. This is crazy. And if you want to see this in real time, you guys need to get Webull. Link in the description. Get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100. It tells you way more things than just like, oh yeah, it went up. It went down. Yeah, it went up. What's going on? So much volume exploding. Okay. So, as you guys know, Apple's earnings were outstanding. Q3 was a drop in the bucket. No shame, no game. Apple went for it. They crushed it. They didn't even, in my opinion, they didn't even have to try. Because, for example, me, I have 2 MacBooks. I have iMac. I have an iPhone. I buy all their products. Like, they have established their business from the bottom up with a very strong foundation that everyone just buys into the company. Like, the business model itself is amazing. So, of course, the stock it has great value. Like, the fundamentals are all there, but it just keeps crushing it, while other stocks just pop off and their fundamentals are whack and they stumble and fall the next day. Apple just continued to go up the whole day. Not only did they beat all their revenues, but here's why I think this stock has, I was like, oh, 420, that's where it's gonna get capped at. I did not see it going to 425 in the last like 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, it went up another $5. This trillion-dollar company, it's heading towards 2 trillion? No way. But in my opinion, the reason why there's even more demand for this stock is because of the Apple stock split. This is essentially gonna be a psychological change more than anything. All the technicalities, all the fundamentals, all the market cap, all current shareholder owners are gonna stay the same. If you own 1 share of Apple, you will now have 4. But it was so much easier when it was at $400. But your one stock that was once, we're gonna be speaking in easier format, that was once $400 is now $100. You didn't lose any value because you gained the value in the stocks. So it's still the same. It's all gonna work out the same. It's all gonna work out the same. If the stock split at 420, you would have $105 per Apple share because you will now have 4 instead of 1. The reason why this is gonna be so attractive is it's a psychological change to a lot of consumers. A lot of people say, I can't afford an Apple stock, and maybe they can't. Robinhood allows you to do fractional shares, but not every brokerage does. So it makes it more attainable for people to buy into the Apple ecosystem. So they might be able to start affording 1 Apple share, 2 Apple shares a month by investing $100, $200 into Apple. And currently, that's what the price tag is going to be. The price tag is going to be, once it splits at its current rate, it's going to be $106.25 a share. And it's like, oh, that's affordable. I can do that. And people will start acquiring more shares and buying them up and bidding up the price because the demand it's coming. Obviously, Obviously, it has came in today very strongly. I saw a lot of people very much confused, like, do I buy before the split or after the split? It doesn't matter when you buy. Literally, you should have bought yesterday. In reality, you should have bought yesterday. You should have bought a month ago. If anything, take a look at this. You guys should have bought the market crash dip. If we look at the daily, all the way, well, if we look at the daily, all the way back in 2000, it was like $50. No. All the way back in March, it went as low as $212. Let's say you didn't catch the bottom because you were scared, and you caught it right here. You paid $250. Well, right now, today, your $250 would translate into a capital gains of 70%. That's a lot of money in a very strong, fundamentally stable company. Very secure, very, very strong. Again, the best time to have bought an Apple before or after the split was yesterday, was a couple days before. Even if you bought at the previous high, we're crushing it. Apple is crushing it. Like, it's a behemoth, and I only see it going further into the sky. I feel like they're gonna hit the 2 trillion mark, and it's just gonna be normal. People are gonna be like, what? Apple's worth 2 trillion? It's like, yeah, just casual. Why? Because I do not see people selling. I do not see stock sharehold owners selling. The short sellers, they're going to get crushed. The buyers are coming in. Like I said, especially with a lot of new investors coming in to invest for the first time, they're going to be like, well, I want to invest in Apple. They see the $400 price tag and they're like, I don't know, I'll buy something else. Oh, what? $100 for Apple? I'll buy it. A lot of people are actually not even going to know what the heck is going on. Why is Apple $100? They will not care. They will just buy into it and bringing the stock price up. If you currently have Apple and it's trading, let's say it was trading once again at $400, and you now have 4, but you know they bid up the price on your new shares from $100 to $125. You made $100. You made 25% gains, and it's gonna be very quick. In my opinion, it's gonna be very quick. After the split, I easily see Apple trading at 125 to 140. So that's my prediction. I can't obviously show you guys that on Webull because it's not updated with the new price, but if anything, it's still gonna go up. The high can go higher, and oh my gosh, this isn't I'm just so excited for this company. I really love it. I like trading it personally. This is one of my favorites to trade. It's just really fun for me. I don't have any in my investment portfolio because because I suck. I should have some in my investment portfolio, but I don't. Okay? I'm sorry. But this is just going to go higher. Calls all the way. I'm just kidding. No. This is not investing advice. This is just entertainment purposes. Just trying to share with you guys my perspective, the news of what's going on. Literally, I keep getting thrown off my seat knowing that I was like 420. I saw it kind of struggle at 420, and it's like, yep, that's it. 420 might reverse. Let me get ready for a put. Nope. And that's it, guys. The market is closed. As I was making this video, Apple closed at $425 for the day, a total gain of over 10% today. Outstanding, crazy gains. Congratulations to everyone. All this hype of the split, you know, nothing's going to change fundamentally. It's just going to be a psychological change. It's just going to be a new number. It is going to bring option contracts down lower because when they're in the money, they have that premium, that intrinsic value of what the current stock price is trading at. So with it bringing it down to 100, I only see it being a little bit more volatile, and more people are going to jump into options because as it is already, options have gotten so popular. Options trading has gotten so popular during these last 3 months. So with it being more affordable, typical contracts in Apple range between $2,000 to $5,000, and now that price tag is going to be brought down to $400 to $1,000 to play options on Apple. So it's just going to make it more attractive. I certainly do see it going higher. Oh my gosh. Be very careful when investing. When is it the best time to purchase? I don't know. What's your investment strategy? That's what I keep emphasizing in my channel. What's your investment strategy? If I buy Apple, I'm going to hold forever. I'm going to hold till it splits again. I don't know. You know, I cannot say. People keep asking, when do I buy Apple? When do I buy Apple that it's going to go up? Literally, it went up today. It went up yesterday. And obviously, the last minute buyers of the bulls, they're like, it's going to continue to go up. And in my opinion, once once the split happens, or even before the split, it is going to split, and I do see it trading at the future price tag of $120 to $150 easily. That's just my opinion. That's just my prediction. So don't take it to heart. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about my predictions? Do you have any Apple? Did you play any options? Did you make huge gains today? I know there's a lot of people out there holding Apple. Just Robinhood has 600,000 people only on their brokerage. Webull, well, obviously they should have a whole bunch. And then the traditional old timers who have been holding Apple for the longest time, this must be one of their #1 assets right now, making so much gains, so much. So congratulations to everyone. Keep doing your due diligence. Always be careful when investing. Leave those comments down below. Leave a like before you click off the video, and if you're not subscribed, you need to be subscribed for the best stock investment content on YouTube. So subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.